guys are not gonna believe it, but I was not supposed to make a video with this, but it's amazing. This is the 8-inch windshield. Look, the old one. And the reason I'm making this video is I'm gonna tell you. All right, look at that. You see the difference? It's because I'm getting a lot of turbulence in my helmet with our new Street Glide here. This is the original. It looks like a 4.5. Okay, and when I measure with the with my meter and everything, this is the 8-inch. So it looks normal, 8-inch. And the screws there here. Look at that right here. So we're all good, and it fits. But the amazing thing is how it came from China. Let me show you how the thing was packed. It's crazy. That means that the windshield is very durable. All right, that's another part from China. Well, it took about 20 days. I don't care, but look at that. The thing was like in here. All right, let me see if I can put the GoPro somewhere here so you can see it. The thing was like, I'm kind of like afraid to do it, but the thing was like squeezed like that into that package right here. Look, it's still holding the shape, but let me show you how big it was. That's it. All right, that was the package. Can you believe it? That's it. So they have actually bent it all around, fit it in here, and put it in this like styrofoam or something. And then they have on the top that black cover. Look, it still holds the shape. Look at it. It's amazing. It's very smart because it saves shipping, but that also means the material, it's durable. You know, you don't have to be afraid. It feels like a really good quality. So, yes, I'm gonna put it on the bike right now. These are 7/16. These are the spikes bolts. I like them a lot, yes. We'll move this bolt inside here. This is the one. Alright, and get this spike off too. Put it here. And we got one more bolt. Our German Shepherd dog with his bone. He's chewing his bone that he's been hiding somewhere on the field. All right. So that was, it looks like the whole length is 6 inch, and from the hole is like I say 4.5. So they probably call this one the 4.5, but I'm not sure. All right, let's do the new one now. Now this, I'm getting a lot of turbulence in my helmet. What the hell, they packed this like that? Wow. Now this is one, it's the 8-inch. I know because I ordered from eBay. And that was an amazing free shipping from China. Unbelievable. Here they retail for like $250 and we pay less than 30 bucks. Yes, it's amazing. eBay. All right, now this one, it's the quality 8-inch. and looks like they measure from the top of the hole, because this is 8 inch. You see that right here. Yep, and it goes right on there. All right, and let's put this first to hold everything up. I'm gonna clean a little bit. It's very dirty. If your bike is very dirty, that means you'll be riding. Remember, all my bikes are working bikes, not a showroom bike. So that goes like that. And let's see if the T25 tightens up. Yes, it does. All right. Let's put the first spike. Too much more anyway. Well, it looks awesome. It's not bad. We are 3.5 fingers up from the other one, so hopefully the turbulence, they're gonna go away. All right, and it looks pretty good. I mean, the black one, I want it. It definitely is durable, because they have, you know, you saw in the beginning of the video, they have bent it completely to send it. So let's put some silicone on this one and I'm done. You guys think not bad, right? Yeah, I like it. Alright, so I'm gonna put in the comments after I test ride what's going on, but definitely it's gonna be much better than the stock one, if this is a stock, because you know, this is a custom made bike. Look at that. I'm gonna make a special video for this bike. It's built by Biker House. We love it. Alright, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. So the test ride was very successful. Also, I tested the new windscreen, the 8 inch, and it is way much better than the 4.5. Way much better, but it's not like the Beamer. The windshield on the Beamer, it's amazing. It's in there, but it's not exactly what I want, but we are on 10 times better than before, than the 4.5. So I'm very happy.